This section is really geared for those of you that are instructors. You may be a survival instructor in your search and rescue unit or your neighborhood CERT unit. Obviously what you're going to learn here applies to everyone, but these are some things as an instructor that I've learned that really helps me when I'm working with my students. So a couple quick things here for you instructors, or those of you that want to be instructors. Paracord management. Have your students learn how to hang paracord. This makes cordage management so much easier than just having handfuls of paracord in a sack or in your hands or whatever. This not only looks more professional, which is going to give your potential patients confidence in you and your skills and your ability, but it's also functional. This is much easier to just grab, pull it out, and do what you need. You don't have to untangle anything. So this is both, learning how to paracord hang is both functional and professional. Secondly, color code your paracord. Don't just have one color. Make it so that you can just look at it and know what it is. Under stress, the less our mind has to do, the better. So I can just look at this and know 10 footers, 25-footer loops, done. Makes it very easy, very easy. And under stress, we want easy. Thirdly, have your students manage a paracord on a carabiner or something like this. Once again, this just looks a lot more professional. If I have to make a shelter for a patient, this is going to give them a lot more confidence that if I just show up with a train wreck of cordage and have to fumble through it, untie knots and stuff like that. So have your students get into the habit of putting all of their paracord on a carabiner. Again, it looks professional, but also from just a practical or functional point of view, this is going to save a lot of time. So I hope these little tips or tricks helped you, and we're getting close to the end. I'll see you in our last video.